A lot of content creators post videos after videos, but they never make it easy for people to find out how to work with them. Viewers get interested, they go check out the channel, and there's nothing there telling them what to do next. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you the number one thing that most people forget to set up on their YouTube channel. All right. So what we're going to do is the first thing you need to do, you're going to go to YouTube Studios. All right. And you're going to click customization, or you can just go to your YouTube channel and hit customize channel. All right. Once you get there, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to see where it says description right there. Now, you want to put something about what your channel is about right here. Now, important note that you do not want to put a link here. No referral link, no website link, nothing. It's just a bio information about what you're doing here, a little bit about you. All right. And then you want to scroll down. All right here, you're going to see where it says links. Now, you can add several links. You can add all of your social media if you want to, and a lot of creators do, okay? It's totally up to you. But what's important here on the top is to have your website or your referral link to some income opportunity, the way that you're making money, okay? So you can say something right here by giving it a title, say something like get started. And then it can have your website or it can have your referral link. All right. So you want to scroll down some more. Okay. And then you want to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and make a change here real quick. All right. So I can show you what I'm talking about. Right. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to say where it says publish. Right. You're going to click that. All right. And now you want to go and you want to view your channel. And right down here is where you're going to see all that information. All right. So all the information that you use here, and I recommend, if you don't want to write anything here to know what to write, use ChatGPT. Use Claude AI to write it for you. Okay. Now, so once people come here, okay, they'll be able to have your link here, but to click the link and get started with any opportunity that you want. All right. So you want to be able to click here. Now, what I recommend, all right, these are some of the affiliate programs that I'm a part of. And I'm not telling you to be a part of these, if you don't want to, but I want to bring your attention to this real quick. And that is a domain name. Okay, I strongly recommend that you get yourself a domain name. Okay, and with that domain name, get yourself a mini website like this. All right. Now you can get that with a company called Global Domain International. Okay. And you get a 7-day free trial. No money in your pocket, and you can test it out for yourself. Now, I also have free training right here, and I'm going to show you how to get your domain name, how to get your mini website, how to put everything together for free. All right. So all you guys do, click here, register, and you'll have instant access. All right. So now from this point, okay, this is what you're going to do. It's what a lot of people make mistakes at, all right? So you're going to go back to your channel, right? So what you're going to do is you're just going to upload the little mini videos. I'm talking about short videos, 90-second, 60-second, or even 30-second videos. That's it. And in every single video, you're going to give a call to action. In every video, you're going to tell people if they're interested in working with you or getting started with any opportunity it is, that's telling this, click the link in my bio. That's it. It doesn't take long to say that. All right. So a lot of times people make mistakes with this, but now you got it all together. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, give me a thumbs up on this video. Drop down a comment. I would love to hear what you think. And then the third thing, listen, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell to all. And with that being said, go Beaugard, go get paid. Bye-bye for now.